For b, we have this equation, and now we have some exponential functions. What we want to do is we want to say here, well, work is equal to the integral, and we're still going from 0 to 4. And we have e to the minus 2x times 1 plus e to the 4x dx. We can't say it's the integral of one thing times the integral of the other thing. So what we're going to do is we're just going to multiply them together. And if I multiply them together, I get e to the negative 2x times 1 plus, and then I have e to the negative 2x times e to the 4x dx. And remember, I'm just going to give you a little remembering things. Remember, if you have a base to a power times a base to a different power, we add them. This becomes the integral from 0 to 4 of e to the minus 2x. And I think I'll separate them now. And honestly, you don't have to continue to separate them. We know that the rule exists. So you could just do it as one piece, whichever way you like. If I add these together, I have minus 2x plus 4x. So I just get 2x. And now my problem's quite a bit easier. You can look on your formula sheet, and the integral of this is e to the minus 2x divided by minus 2 plus, plus e to the 2x divided by 2. And I'm going to evaluate both of them together from 0 to 4. So I get, first I'm going to plug in my 4. I have e to the negative 2 times 4 divided, let's take the negative out, divided by 2, plus e to the positive 2 times 4 divided by 2. This is me replacing my values with 4. And then don't forget, you also have to subtract the bottom number. So first we do the 4, and then we do the 0. We get negative e to the negative 2 times 0 divided by 2 plus e to the positive 2 times 0 over 2. This is going to equal negative e to the minus 8 over 2 plus e to the positive 8 over 2 minus, and then I have minus minus, so the first term is going to be plus, and anything to the 0 power is 1, so that's going to be 1/2. And then I'm going to distribute that this negative sign here to the positive, so that becomes negative, and I get again 1/2. And obviously 1/2 minus 1/2 cancels, and we get, flip them around so I have, say, e to the 8th minus e to the minus 8th divided by 2. And my answer is, I did it already, 1490.48 Newton meters.